Alright guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to talk about one of the biggest reasons why most people cannot seem to find their edge in the trading space. Profitable trading is about becoming a specialist and why you need one strategy. Amateurs try everything while professionals just master one thing. In this video we are going to cover a couple of things. Why many strategies will hurt you, how one strategy builds consistency, the power of specialization, common mistakes trader makes, and how mastery leads to long-term success. If you're new to the channel and you don't know me yet, my name is Camille. I also go by the name of Trading Wizard, and on this channel I share more about the reality of day trading. I made more than 950x publicly on the internet, and I shared my story all across the internet. And what I'm doing now is I share the reality of day trading instead of all of the nonsense you see about free signals, call groups and all of the stuff. So if you like this, don't forget to already subscribe to the channel and like this video. Now, one of the first things that I want to mention first is the common mistakes that I see traders make, especially in the beginning, what keeps them away from becoming profitable. Now, one of the first things is strategy hopping, okay? Jumping systems when results get tough. One of the biggest problems and mistakes you can make is committing to a strategy, saying, okay, I'm going all in on this, and then you will find your profitability in maybe a week or two. And what happens? The market changes, and now you say, okay, this strategy doesn't work anymore. I see that this guy is doing well online, so you know what? Now I'm going to try his strategy. You make some decent profits, and you think, okay, this one works. Boom. Market changed a bit. You went from your free profit win streak now to one loss, and you think, okay, it's not profitable anymore, so I'm going on to the next. What leads most of the time to just copying others, so blindly following strategies that don't fit you, or just blindly copying people, maybe their signal groups or anything else, and you are chasing perfection, okay? So searching for a system with no losses. I want you to understand that this simply doesn't exist. When you're looking at the trading space, one of the most important things to understand is that trading is a game of probabilities. So this means that if you are, let's say for example, right 9 out of 10 times, and this would mean that you're highly profitable, okay? Even then, there will be one loss. And you don't know if it will be the second one, the first one, the fifth one, the seventh one. You don't know. But somewhere in the upcoming 10 trades, you will be wrong. Now, does it make sense then to, let's say you have this win streak and you know that in the upcoming 10 trades, there will be one loss, to after the loss, then just change strategy because you say, okay, it doesn't work anymore? No. This is what most people do. They don't understand that trading is probabilities. One of my favorite books about this is Fooled by Randomness, where it exactly explains you why understanding probabilities is so important in the trading space. Now, if we go to this one, I want you to understand that many strategies will hurt you if you are going to not focus on one thing. So you will have scattered focus. Trying many systems stops you from mastering one. And this is with everything in life. What a lot of people do is they feel motivated and they think now that they are some kind of superhuman, okay? What are they going to do? They're going to focus on, okay, yeah, you know what? I'm going to start trading, and when I'm trading, I'm going to make some money in the dropshipping space, and with that capital, I'm going to start branding, and with that, I'm going to do YouTube automation, and then I'm going to do trading. Listen up. Same goes for the trading space. Don't be the guy who trades ICT and then on the side he's going to do some SMC. Then he sees some influencer doing this and then he says, okay, you know what? If I mix it up, then it will become the best one. No. I want you to understand that you will never find consistency in trading if you do it in this way. Switching strategies will give you random results. Besides this, you will always have limited skills because you will learn average things about every strategy instead of mastering one deeply. So how you should see it is you need to be this guy who just goes into one project and just completes it, okay? One of my favorite things that I always say is focus. Follow one course until successful. If you can't focus, you won't make it in life, okay? Follow one course until successful. Same goes with trading. You just need to pick one strategy and commit to that one thing. Now, by the way, if you want to know more about which strategy I'm using, I literally have a free school below where I share everything about my strategy and how you can do it too. So if you want to do that, just go there. Now, how one strategy builds consistency. Very simple. Same rules every single time. One method creates repeatable actions. And this is so important in the trading space. Why? Because in the trading space, it's all about bias, okay? And it's all about, okay, I see X, so now I need to do this. One of the problems if you have multiple strategies is that one strategy that you are following may say, hey, you need to go long here, but you actually think, okay, to be honest, I think that the market will go down. Instead of listening to your one strategy, what do I see people do? They're saying, okay, this strategy doesn't fit my bias, so what am I going to do now? I'm going to pick something from this strategy, because here it fits my bias. Boom, it's a loss. You were right initially, but now because you moved strategies and you listened to your emotions instead of the normal strategy, it went wrong, okay? Well, what I want you to understand is your system and your strategy is the only thing that can protect you from your emotion. When you're looking at trading, trading is 20% knowledge and 80% emotions. And emotion is literally the devil in your trading. Your system is the only thing that can protect you from this devil. So make sure that you have the right system in place. If you have the right system in place, it is easy to improve and you can track your results and fix your weaknesses. So in one strategy, you can see, okay, hey, I see that over the last couple of trades, I became more emotional during this and this and this. I've seen that after this trigger, I went in maybe a bit too early, or hey, I have trouble taking profit at these kind of levels. So let me adjust it in this strategy instead of just hopping towards another one. The more you do this, the more your confidence will grow. Sticking to one plan builds trust in yourself. Why? Because you're basically starting with just the fundamentals, okay? It is you building your own machine. One of the good things about building your own machine is that if something is wrong in the machine itself, you know how to fix it. And if you're just randomly going to pick someone else's machine and see, okay, hey, now this is broken, you don't understand it. So that's why I'm always saying, if you are picking someone's strategy, so for example, if someone comes into my program, yes, he's learning everything from A to Z about range trading. But the thing is we need to make it him. So we need to make it that person's strategy. At the end of the day, if he would copy everything I would do, he most probably wouldn't be profitable. Why? Because he has different emotions than I do. So what do we have to do? We have to take a look at his emotions and how we can apply it towards the strategy. This is key if you want to make it in trading. You pick one strategy and now you need to understand how your emotions can be applied towards the strategy. The only way to do this is to track everything and to try to fix your weaknesses. So instead of running away because you have a weakness, you say, hey, I embrace it that I was wrong here. Let me see how I can apply it to the strategy that this won't happen again. Sticking to one strategy only can help this. So this is the power of specialization. In this way, we are going to build a real edge. Deep focus gives you an advantage that others don't have. When you're looking at most people in the trading space, they are hopping strategies, okay? They don't seem to understand the fact that focusing on one thing will help you insanely. How? By having the real edge. You will learn faster, so mastery helps you to see the small details that others miss. Let me give you an example, okay? And don't be scared of the charts. This is one of my charts where I made insane amounts of money when it comes down to swing trading, okay? When everyone was screaming here that it was just a dip and we would go all the way towards a next all-time high, the entire market dumped. I did this short publicly, averaging over more than 18% on the way down. Same goes for, I did a public long all on my Instagram, podcast, everywhere, from 84k all the way towards 106. While everyone here was screaming, yeah, okay, the market is going down and this and this and this. What do I know? At the end of the day, emotions do nothing, sentiment does nothing. I just need to listen to what my strategy says. Even though the entire market here said we are going down, and even my emotions said, okay, it would make sense if we would go down, I listened to the strategy. What happened? Boom. blown off pump all the way 26%. Okay, why? Because I listened to the strategy and I could see it in detail. Okay, that's the only way how to do it. Now, this is the small detail that I've seen. I've seen all of my triggers on that specific time. Okay, so right here, I got all of the small details that other people didn't see. Why? Because I was just focusing on one thing and I wasn't looking for strategies that fit my bearish bias. Now, this will create a pro mindset, okay? Professionals stay in one lane and they absolutely dominate it. Professionals have one strategy and they absolutely dominate it. If you are diversifying in strategies, you're basically saying, okay, my emotions can take over and it can fit its own bias. Again, you want to be the guy who has his emotions in check and doesn't allow his emotion to do this, okay? So when we're going to this one, how mastery leads to long-term success. If you do this over the long term, one of the most important things is that you will have clarity. So you know when to trade and when not to trade. A lot of people always think that trading is about being 24/7 in a trade. Well, I can tell you one thing, it's the exact opposite. For now, at the moment that we're currently in the markets, I didn't trade for almost 6 days, okay? So for almost 6 days, I didn't make any trade. Why? Because the market wasn't in the right position for me to make a step. This was because it was before FOMC. FOMC was yesterday, so now it's post FOMC, and now the market has a clear map again. So the 6 days leading up towards this, I didn't do anything. And what was the result? The market structure in those 6 days was absolutely terrible. So most people who I know who were trading the last couple of 6 days, they all lost money. Why? Because the market structure was unreliable. By having the right strategy, you will have clarity and you know exactly when to skip it and when to take it. Sometimes the best trade in the markets is no trade at all. Now, besides this, you will be way more consistent in your profits. Why? Because you are playing with one system. Okay? If you are playing with 20 systems at a time, you are trying to constantly force a system into the market. Well, what you need to do is you need to be a sniper who waits for the market to come to you. If you have this skill, of course, it will compound, okay? So mastery compounds over time into big profits. When you're looking at this, will the beginning be harder than hopping 20 strategies? Yes. Okay, why? Because it's not constant action. If you want to specialize in something, it takes more time. But that more time will pay you off in the compounding effect, okay? It's literally a snowball effect. Now, let me give you some action steps in order to end this video. Pick one strategy. Again, if maybe you already have a strategy, if you don't have a strategy, or if you are interested in mine, just go to my free school below and pick the system that matches your style and especially your emotion and mindset. That's one of the most important things. Again, trading is 20% knowledge and 80% emotion. A lot of people, they ignore the emotions. Well, in my opinion, that's one of the biggest focuses that you should pay attention to in the trading space. Write down clear rules, okay? So define your entries, your exits, and keep it stupidly simple. One of the reasons why I'm a range trader is because it's the simplest way of looking at trading. It's literally, you need 5 triggers, that's it. You need a clear range, that's it. No complicated terms, nothing. It's just you, your ranges, and that's it, okay? I have one of the very simple sayings, know where you get out before you get in. One of the biggest reasons why people don't make money in the space is because they focus on the entry rather than the exit, okay? Because they don't have clear rules in their exits, most of the time they don't make money because they are mixing strategies up. Practice until natural. Trade it consistently until it becomes second nature. When I'm currently looking at the markets, the only thing I see is ranges. In the beginning, I hopped strategies as well. I think almost every single trader does. Until you realize that it isn't paying off. If you want to make it your natural thing, you need to dedicate time to it. The reality of day trading is, at the end of the day, it's still a study. It's not just a random business model. It's literally the highest paying skill in the world. You cannot expect that a lawyer goes to university for 8 years before he gets paid, and that's a very high paying job. A doctor goes to university for 9 years before they actually get paid. Why do you think that the highest paying skill in the world will happen in 30 days or in 90 days and you will get paid big? No. At the end of the day, trading is a real business and you need to just stick a lot of time into it. The only way to be a natural trader and to be consistent in the markets is to put actual time in it. Now guys, if you like these kind of videos where I explain the reality of day trading, don't forget to drop a like at this video and drop a subscribe as well. And I will see you all in the next one. Ciao, ciao.